Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel. With Ramadan fast approaching, it's essential to prioritize nutritious foods to sustain us through the day. Today, we're sharing a comprehensive Ramadan diet plan featuring a variety of healthy options to keep you energized and nourished. Let's start with Sehri, the pre-dawn meal. Opt for a balanced plate of protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you full throughout the day. Consider options like overnight oats topped with nuts and fruits, a vegetable omelet with whole grain toast, or a smoothie made with spinach, banana, and protein powder. As the sun sets and it's time to break our fast, begin with hydrating and fiber-rich vegetables such as cucumber, carrots, and cherry tomatoes, served with a refreshing yogurt dip or hummus. Next, incorporate nutrient-dense soups like lentil or vegetable soup into your meal to provide warmth and nourishment. Pair it with a side salad loaded with leafy greens, avocado, and chickpeas for added protein and fiber. For the main course, opt for lean proteins such as grilled chicken breast, baked fish, or tofu stir-fry with plenty of colorful vegetables. Include healthy carbohydrates like quinoa, brown rice, or whole grain pasta to replenish energy stores. For dessert, indulge in naturally sweet treats like fresh fruit salad, yogurt parfait with honey and nuts, or chia seed pudding topped with berries. These options provide a satisfying end to your meal without the need for added sugars. By incorporating these wholesome choices into your Ramadan diet plan, you'll nourish your body and soul while honoring the traditions of this sacred month. Wishing you a blessed Ramadan filled with health, happiness, and spiritual growth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. Ramadan Mubarak!